What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome to the channel. It is Jamal Wade Reactions. With that being said, I know why you came here. You clicked on the title, and yes, I am doing the method to try to build this channel from 0 subscribers to 1 million subscribers. Yes, I know it sounds crazy, but I just want to show you guys that it's possible. Okay. So, with that being said, let's get into the nitty gritty because that's why you guys came, right? So far, right? I decided to come back on my channel, on this particular channel, because just to show you guys, I have multiple channels right here, as you guys can see, that I'm working on to build subscribers. My highest channel is my main channel, Jamal Wade Live. Be sure to head over there, leave a like, comment, turn on post notifications so you can stay updated with the latest release. I have officially hit 26,000 subscribers. Hopefully that continues to grow within these next 2 weeks. But back to this particular channel. So you guys, right here in the last 28 days, I got 6,328 views. Now the watch time is going up as well as subscribers. Yesterday, I got 2 subscribers. Yay me, right? Yay me. So, but that's not what I'm really worried about. This is what I'm talking about right here. 18,545 views from shorts. Okay. So if we just go over here to content. Now, guys, mind you, this will be a new upload for me, but right now, this particular um, channel last upload was March 1st. And this is what I want to show you guys. This is really why I made the video, is because we're in June. Today's June 15th. So almost, March, June, not even, a good 30 days has set in where the channel wasn't doing so good. As you guys can see these previous days right here, my last publish was, like I said, March 1st. But if you go all the way back here, let's just go to the last page real quick. The first time I uploaded a video to this was February 24th of 2024. Now, I was going to make this a full long reaction video, but then I thought to myself, why not just do compilations of shorts, because shorts tend to reach a higher audience or a broader audience versus the long form content. Now mind you, I was pulling in views, as you guys can see, but I wasn't staying consistent. As you guys can see, there are big gaps between the upload days. So we head over to the shorts. Same thing with the shorts. The first publish was, like I said, May 20th, and I did 7,000 views on that, and I really didn't understand what it meant to upload content at this time. Like I felt like I did, but I didn't understand the concept of the format and how to do it. So as time progressed, obviously, I was fluctuating 608, 1,000 here, 14, 12, so on and so forth. But when we come here, look at this, man. Okay, so I published these two today, and by the time you see, the video, by the time it circulates, when you go to my shorts, 9 times out of 10, this won't be the last particular video right here. I probably have about 10 to probably 15 more by the time you guys actually see this video. But the point that I'm making is I decided to get back on my grind and take it more serious, because in a moment I'll take you guys over to my other channel to show you guys what that one's looking like. So with that being said, this was June 14th. Today is the 15th. So yesterday I decided to do a little short, and let's just go into the analytics. I dropped this short with intentions to experiment. Like I was like, let me see if I can, like spark the algorithm. Let me see what I can do, right? And I felt like I did. It didn't plateau, it didn't go down, it went up. And from the looks of it, typically it looks like it's going to keep going up. Okay, it looks like it's going to continue to go up throughout this whole period of time. And I'm looking forward to this particular video because this was the first video that I tried this particular format. So I'm not going to play the audio, but I'll go ahead and just show you guys the short real quick. So all I did was pretty much react to this video. As a guy, he's pretty much fixing a crack on a window, and I just put, bro, watch him cook. You know what I'm saying? I could have honestly did the caption a little bit better. I could have brought the caption up here, because going into my next couple of videos, I tend to put the caption right across here. But just to let you guys know, I just dropped the video within 3 hours of publish. 4 hours, I was already at 1.3K. So I'm looking forward to this. The engagement isn't pretty high, but views per hour, 50 views per hour, that's not bad. 12 hours in a day times 50, you do the numbers, eventually it's going to grow. So let's just go back to where I just was. So this is my main reaction channel. I mean, this is my new reaction channel. Excuse me, guys. This is my new reaction channel that I'm deciding to do. And as you guys can see, 12 minutes ago, 259 views. 42 minutes ago, almost 500 views. An hour ago, 1K. Hour ago, five. Look at this. You feel me? And this is the formula. This is what I'm doing, guys. Because one, the most important thing, my face is circulating on YouTube. Okay, that's the number one thing. That's the most important thing. My face is circulating on YouTube. You guys don't have to see me right now. You guys can see in the video, my face is circulating around on YouTube. All right. So, like I said, this is just a reaction channel. It's nothing special. Like I said, I got 63 subscribers, 69 videos, but the plan is to pump out these videos consistently and strategically, guys. Like, if you guys are able to have an OBS or able to do something like this in the comfort of your home, you guys, I'm retired from the military. So when it comes down to work, you know what I'm saying? I'm retired. You feel me? 100%. So I'm chilling right now. I got other little avenues of revenue that I make, you know, but besides that, I find this very satisfying because it's funny to me. I like to watch content, so I figure why not watch the content and upload the content? Like if I'm going to sit here and watch this content, I might as well record myself watching it, right? To get my views, right? With that being said, let's go over here to the other channel. Before we go over there, I want to show you guys one more thing. So the most important thing to take away from this is you're not going to blow up overnight. You may have a video that blow up overnight, but you're not going to blow up overnight. And if you do, hey, kudos to you. That's what's up. I'm not knocking you. I'm just saying realistically, do not expect to blow up overnight. And when you start seeing views, one thing that I want to let you guys know, stay out of the analytics. Do your best, bro, because you're going to stress yourself out. Like I had 2 days where I was just like refresh, 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 refresh. And I'm like, nah, I got to stop. I can't keep doing this. I got to just post and keep it pushing because the time that you sit here and try to look at your analytics, you could be creating content. So remember that, guys. All right, so heading over to my main channel, Jamal Wade Live, and we have this right over here. So if we go over here to the analytics, like I said, you guys, this channel is doing numbers right now. 41,000 in the last 48 hours. You know what I'm saying? Let's just check the last 60 minutes because I like to be transparent, guys. 700, that's almost 1,000 views. Now I'm about to pump out some content within the next like 2-3 hours, and I'm expecting this to be about 1,000 in the last 60 minutes. But from what we're looking at, man, we almost touching 1,000, 48 hours, 41,000 views. And this channel was dead for a while, guys. Now I'm gonna just show you guys because, like I said, I want to be transparent for those who come along and see my channel growth and see what's going on. I didn't had this account probably since 2017, if I'm not mistaken. But I was learning YouTube, bro, and I'm so upset. 2017, 2007, dude. 2007, bro. I was here when the Soldier Boy era was here, but bro, I did not look at this. Just imagine this. Put this in y'all mind. I slept on this channel, bro. And y'all understand, people understand the power. Once you start making money from YouTube, you truly understand the power of a channel. I slept on this channel for so many years. Look at this, bro. 0, 0, 0, nothing, nothing. 210, 13. Never knew, never. Bro, Mr. Beast killed this. 0. And this is why I'm trying to tell you guys, because if you're somebody in their 20s right now and you're coming across my content, so you in your late 30s or early 30s, either way, imagine the years of just uploading content, right? Just up because you still get paid. Once your channel is monetized, you're gonna get paid for views that's all the way back in 2008. You know what I'm saying? But imagine this, bro. And I didn't really understand it. It didn't dawn on me. Like I didn't understand the algorithm and the metrics I didn't get none of this shit. But 1.8 million views, 2.6 million views total. I got an artist channel, so I do music, and you guys, they label your channel once you claim it, which I wanted to claim it. You feel me? But I still can upload anything on this channel. And that's the dope part about it. Now, guys, look, I have a video going viral right now. To me, this is viral. 26,000, 26,000 guys in the last 48 hours. Okay? This is an 8-second clip. All I did was sat there and react to it, edit it on CapCut, put my little twist to it, boom, upload it. Okay, last 60 minutes is bringing in at least 400. So this one particular video is bringing in half of what all my other videos are pulling in. So guys, I'm looking forward to it. I am going to be uploading long content like this to show you guys the progression. This channel is monetized. I'm looking forward to seeing what the revenue looking like, how much they paying for per 1,000 views. You know, we're looking to stay. Look at this. Look at this. 73%, bro. I'm winning right now. I'm gold right now. We need to keep that going. We need to keep that going. We need more content like this. So we want to kind of replicate that type of content because it's short, it's quick, it repeats itself. Back to the main point. You know, don't give people a chance to swipe away. You feel me? Um, just to show you guys, the last upload from this one from long form was June 10th. And I'm gonna leave it right here because I really want to see a 30-day span, right? From June to July, and how many views and comments and likes this video can get. Cause this channel is not dead. This channel was pulling in views. Let me just show you guys, right? I was pulling in views on long form. You see what I'm saying? It wasn't nothing spectacular. I wasn't hitting the thousands, but I was definitely pulling in views. And the fact that I was pulling in views only tells me all I have to do is stay consistent. You guys, you stay consistent at anything, you will succeed in it. You know what I'm saying? You will succeed if you stay successful. I mean, if you stay consistent in the things that you do, you will succeed. So, you guys, like I said, that's the video, man. I don't want to make this too long. I'm pretty sure it's already about 10 minutes. I'm probably going to chop it up, make it a little shorter. But with that being said, guys, I just wanted to show you this last 7 days before we get up out of here because I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to grow this channel. And it's going to be off some YouTube shorts. But stay tuned in. Be sure to leave a like, comment, turn on post notifications so you can stay updated with the latest release. Till next time, I'll see y'all in the next one. Yeah.